right, before you start with your figure, I just want to share some facts with you. The length of the head this way is usually the waist width and also a foot. So foot, waist, head. They're all about the same length. Also, the length between your shoulder and your elbow is the same as elbow to wrist. And thigh to knee is the same as knee to foot, at least the heel part. If you want to shorten it, you can. You can compare this area to this area, and they are about the same in length, not in width, but length. Okay, if you have to look at something, go ahead. When I paint this, you'll notice that I'm not rinsing my brush off in between. I'm not adding any extra water at all, and the reason for that is, one, my paints are fluid enough, and the other thing is, if it's too wet, it's going to ruin your paper. This is real fragile old paper. So I did not add or rinse any of my brush at all. Also remember, if you're not happy with your drawing, like here I'll start the arm, and you'll see later I won't like where the hand is or the placement of the hand. So then what I do, because you can't use an eraser obviously, you're going to just paint that background color right over it. So don't worry about mistakes, because you can just paint over them. Here she is, completely finished. Now you can choose to add more details if you want. You could actually make this look more like a butterfly and add dots and lines and things like that. I really just wanted my focus to be on the fairy, especially since we have the definition here. So the flowers are done just very loose, and I added some more of this background color. So you can decide whether you want to add more detail or not. Remember that fairies have little pointed ears. You can add that in there. There she is. You can also add some glitter or metallic paints. Okay. Have fun making your fairy. The second option is you can cut out pictures that you find in magazines, and that can become your flower garden, or stickers. There's beautiful stickers these days. And you can do the same with your figure. If you don't feel confident enough, or you just don't have the time to spend hand painting, you can certainly find a book with a fairy in it and cut her out, and you could do a whole decoupage thing on top of your dictionary page. So whatever you want to do, but have fun and explore this imaginary world. Bye.